Hare Krishna. We are in the Bliss kitchen because I don't know how to cook for Krishna. I messed up so many times the cooking, so I asked Purujit Prabhu to help me cook. Hare Krishna! Oh, that's Purujit Prabhu! Cooking with Purujit Prabhu, that was not such a nice experience.
Daivi Shakti Mataji, she appreciates my presence in the kitchen.
I regretted asking for his help in the kitchen.
While cooking, I like to bring a certain atmosphere into the kitchen.
As soon as he enters a room, everyone is scared. And he comes with this energy in the kitchen, and it feels very weird and uncomfortable.
She feels safe, protected, and peaceful when she's cooking.
And he has this dark energy inside of him.
Because from the very beginning, the atmosphere decides the mood of the cooking.
And that pollutes the whole atmosphere.
So I like to make it a little bit serious. Chant a few Vedic mantras.
Om Vishnu, Om Vishnu, Om Vishnu.
I'm a kind of a person who likes to have order.
What is this?
This is the He had to come and disturb me and put the board on the in a straight way. Like, how does it matter? Like, how does Krishna cares about this?
I think it's important when we cook that we have order,
Right angle.
not just chaos.
He always needs to do things perfectly.
So today I have selected a very, very special combination of preparations. Srila Prabhupada, he says, Srila Prabhupada, he says that this is a feast for a beggar and a king simultaneously. Achinta Beda Beda Tattva. First preparation here, as you can see here. I think this camera is useless. Put it here, right? In this area of the kitchen, we're doing, yes, just like you're doing very nicely, the cutting. Oh, by the way, did you wash your hands? What?
And his remarks about the French.
The French, so dirty.
He said that French people are unclean, but Purujit Prabhu, this is not good. This is racism.
Okay, so this is called chutney. We're doing very nice chutney for Krishna. Chutney. Chutney. Okay, the next preparation. Come with me. Not you. The next preparation, yes. This is called khichdi. I have to wash my hands myself. So what we do here is that we're boiling the dal before the rice. Khichdi is a combination of rice and dal. This is urad dal. How many cups?
1.5 cups.
1.5 cups of dal, urad dal. When you're cooking, boil it. Have you ever heard of rice before? Because now everything is AI. When this is cooked down, this dal, softly, then we add the rice. Not simultaneously. That is very, very bad. If you do this, you'll go to hell. The dal has to get really soft. Then we put the rice, because the rice doesn't take so much time to boil. Scientific. And we're gonna offer also some vegetables. We're gonna put that in the khichdi at the end. So we should actually start boiling these carrots. Oh, you did not peel? What is ginger? Ginger.
Yeah, he put that.
No ginger.
No ginger. No, there is ginger. But it's here.
Krishna. Not for you. Carrots, very good.
Purujit Prabhu, how should I cut the carrots?
The way you do it is perfect. Krishna gave you intelligence.
He makes all those silly faces to the camera. That was so annoying to see him doing that. Oh la la.
Okay, I mean, just do some seva here. We must boil the carrots because it's gonna be too late. If we put them later, when the khichdi is already done, then the carrots will be raw. Not good. This is how you cut ginger. See? So healthy, very nice. Krishna, not for you. How is the dal doing? Take a knife. Still very hard. Put more.
So we do cashews?
Yes. First, heat the ghee. Oh, too late.
Should I stir them or?
I think so. So you do it like this, very nicely. But don't grate your fingers.
I look like a gorilla. Even devotees don't respect me. I have to do something about it.
And you know what feels even better?
Yeah?
Matchless gift.
Krishna, 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 Krishna. Oh, welcome back. So for chutney, put ghee. This will create disaster. Cashews, cashew, 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 cashew. You should turn down the heat. So let's test out how these guys are doing. I call them guys. We're almost there. But not yet. Cashews again. Today, it's me who's cooking. You can take shots of the devotees chanting.
I don't know, I speak when it comes.
Okay, yeah. Can I ask some question? It's gonna be good. It's gonna show that I'm an authority.
Your Grace Purujit Prabhu, what to do with the yogurt?
Yogurt, put in a bowl.
Don't film this.
My godmother taught me that you put all the spices that you have in the chutney. Everything, even from the neighbors. You go and ask them, all the spices in the world, you put it there.
Okay.
Cloves, you have cloves?
I don't look at this.
Chili, oh.
It said all the spices.
Immediately, the first spice she's taking is chili.
Was that one?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Ow.
That's the habanero though. That's extremely spicy. That's like not a real. Yeah. Well, okay.
That's why I'm gonna handle it. Oh.
Purujit Prabhu, I have a question. Why did you put so little chili?
So more spices?
Yes.
Come on. One more. What is it?
This is chili flakes.
Again, chili. Or something else. What's that?
He said all the spices he's got, brother. He's defying the parampara.
Yes.
This is a feast from Prabhupada.
Yes.
When did he make it?
In the 60s. Some rascal like you. I don't know, I read it somewhere.
You must quote.
He is ready. He is ready. Oh my God. Yes?
What does Prabhupada mean when he says that the universal form is material?
No philosophy now. Prepare the offering plates.
Krishna?
For Krishna.
Wait,
Not for you.
Krishna, he doesn't need to eat, no?
Don't speak nonsense. The nipples dry out.